So here we are with the finished product. So as you can see, we took the dust off the surface. All this. Let's open this up and see. Good. So this is how it looks like after the dust is done. Right, the windowsill nicely cleaned out. Floors nicely cleaned out. See the sun is shining through. You can see everything. Surfaces nicely cleaned out. You see all the dust that's on the surfaces also gone. Right inside, cleaned out nicely. So you saw the before. If you're watching us on YouTube, there's a link to the before, so you can see what we did before. This is some of the stuff that was left in here by the contractor, so we left it here. All right, but you can see nicely cleaned. All the dust is gone. Right, so we come over here, same thing. See all the surfaces. So everything is cleaned out nicely. Everything is nicely cleaned out. So you can see the surface. See? Just nicely done, right? Ready for people to move in. So as we clean, so all this is clean, but it's not sanitized, right? It's clean, but it's not sanitized. So when they move in, we can offer them the sanitizing part of it to make it look much clean and nicer. As you can see this right here, just nicely done in here. So everything is taken out. Everything is taken out. And then same thing in the cabinets, cleaned out nicely. So this is for staging, right? This is what we do for our real estate clients and our contractors, developers. This is what we do. So we took all the plastic out, as you can see, all the plastic out. We left the stuff that the extra things, we left them in here, nicely cleaned out, right? All the dust is taken off on the surfaces. In here, cleaned out nicely. See, everything taken out. Same thing. Come to the small bathroom. Sorry. Small bathroom, as you can see, same thing. It's taken out. The floor, the tiles nicely cleaned. All the dust is gone. Surfaces. So, this is what a real estate post-construction cleaning looks like. All the plastic taken out. The floor on the sides cleaned out. Everything cleaned. See door handles cleaned out. No dust. Come in here. No dust. Baseboards nicely cleaned out. Let's come to the main bathroom. Let's pull this out. So this is what we didn't clean. So this has to be cleaned out. So we show you everything. You could forget it too. So there's some things that could be forgotten, right? Because it's in here. So it's very easy to pass by and then not realize it's there. So that's one thing that we have to go and take care of. But everything else is nicely done, as you can see. Let's go inside here. Tiles, partial hand on the surfaces, nothing on the surfaces. This is how it's supposed to look, right? Very nicely done, clean. So this way, it presents itself. You don't really need to do much, right? All you need to do is just place your stuff over here and it presents itself, right? They keep turning off the water, but I'll fix that. So one thing we gotta do is this right here. So we gotta clean this and we have to take care of this on the bottom. So that's one thing. And the windows on the side also cleaned out. These style windows are kind of a little bit hard to open. That's the backyard. But yeah, so this is what we offer. If you're ever looking for a good post-construction cleaning for your real estate property, right, just give us a call, 929-326-3201. We serve Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan. We go far for bigger projects and mansions. So if you're building in the Hamptons and you need a good thorough cleaning for your client, contact us. We have no problem making the necessary arrangements to make it happen. So thank you very much. Hopefully you like it. Give us a thumbs up and then share with somebody. Thank you.